Hi, this is Ruchi here from Ours Just Hair Salon. I know we are all quarantined and your hair must be a mess. So here I am gonna give you 10 beautiful tips to do and to use while you're locked at home. So the first tip is to massage your hair. Indulge your hair in a nice coconut oil massage. Take a cupful of cold pressed virgin coconut oil, put a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds in it and add some curry leaves. Let it cool down and then massage it into your scalp. Leave it on for 20 minutes and then you shampoo your hair. The second tip, cut your own fringe. People who had never thought they'll cut a fringe, why not? What's there to lose? I've even attached a video to it and you may use that on the technique which I've used and you may do your own fringe. The third tip is to use a homemade mask. Take one full egg, put one banana, add a teaspoon of yogurt and add a teaspoon of honey to it. Mix it all in the blender and apply it on your scalp as well as your hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then you shampoo. Then you can use your own deep conditioning mask. You can take any ready-made conditioner that you have at home. A deep conditioning mask would be preferable. Put it on freshly shampooed hair. Apply it on the entire length of your hair, not the scalp, and put a shower cap over it. Leave it on for 30 minutes and then just rinse it out. Another tip is to eat very well. This is the time when I believe a lot of you are cooking a lot of food. So eat broccoli, sprouts, chicken, pulses. They really help the hair. Everybody's got reduced hair fall. One thing which I don't notice is that people don't comb their hair enough. They don't brush it enough. So there used to be an old saying, brush your hair 100 times a day. I don't think the numbers really matter, but brushing your hair before you sleep is really important. It increases blood stimulation and adds to the hair growth. Shampooing your hair right. I feel people use too much shampoo. So 1 teaspoon is good enough for every third day. Take a teaspoon, dilute it with water, put it in a bowl and then shampoo. That's very important. Some people who take and buy good shampoos from my salon, they say, oh, we love the shampoo and it's so good, it's so organic, we can just feel it. They use their whole shampoo for a bath as well. So that's not really correct. Flaxseed Gel, a very good leave-in conditioner or a styling tool for curly hair. Take 2 cups of water in a pan, put 2 teaspoons of flaxseed in it, let it boil, let it become a gel-like consistency and cool it. Add 2 teaspoons of argan oil in it. You can break an Evian capsule in it and maybe add a few drops of your essential oil, whichever fragrance you like. Leave it on section by section on your freshly shampooed hair. Don't rinse it out, and this will act as a great styling tool. It's really essential to do that. I've got some rollers here. You can use these rollers and you can know how to put rollers. So you can take all your hair section by section, thin sections, and apply rollers onto your hair and you can sleep with it. So use these and put it overnight. Just wrap it inside towards an inwardly direction and you can leave it on in the hair. You can take one more and you can add this as well. So you can take this roller . So you've got the whole hair covered like this and you could just leave it on the entire hair, just put random sections. So now another tip that I have is going gray. People who are fed up of coloring their hair, what better time is it? What better time could there be to go gray? Just leave your roots. You've been coloring your hair for over 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. People who went gray at the age of 20. And they're coloring their hair every 15 days, every 3 weeks. What better timing could there be? Just grow it out. And there's not a single process, which is done in the salon where you could go gray in one go. You can't go to your hair salon and tell the hairdresser to just give me a gray hair color. And after it's grown out gray, just chop off your hair. Get a dramatic haircut. Things which you had never thought you'll be able to do, maybe this quarantine helps you. And this lockdown period can be used very usefully. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please share, subscribe and like it. Thank you.